Hey, what is up you guys? I hope you're all doing great. It's been a while since I did a makeup tutorial, so today I'll be doing this semi-complicated Sassy Egirl makeup look, so buckle up and get ready. It's a bit complicated, so please bear with me. So without further ado, let's get it. Let's start off with the clean face. Tie your hair so it won't get in the way and use a headband if necessary. Now that we're all set, we'll go to foundation. As always, apply it using your favorite brush or sponge and blend it evenly. It might look like I'm using the wrong shade, but it's not. The reasoning for this is what we call a makeup flashback. It happens when intense light from flash photography, spotlight, and any light touches the skin directly that will cause a bounce back-like effect to the camera lenses, making you look like a ghost. Usually, this happens when foundations or concealers contains SPF ingredients, so be careful using those in evening events. I'll be putting some examples of makeup flashbacks in a while. Moving on to concealer. We'll just put underneath our eyes, pimple marks, or any imperfections that we want to conceal. Then, blend it evenly. Next is brows. Pull it the way you want it and blend it to prevent harsh lines. You can also put a concealer for a more defined brows, which I will also put in this video. Now for the most complicated part, these are the colors that we'll be using first. Put the first color all over your lid and the next one on the outer corners of your eyes. We'll be using a lot of colors, so pay attention. The eyeshadow makeup is divided into 4 parts, so 1 down, 3 to go. After this, using a clean brush, we will be blending it to prevent harsh lines. Colors. Once again, put the first color on the overall lid, then the second color on the outer half, and the last color on the outer corners of our eyes. We blend it again. Here are the colors that we will use for the third part of this makeup. Putting the first color in the inner corners of our eyes up to the brow bone, then the second color will be put in the inner half of the lids. Next color will be on the outer half of the lids, and the last color for this part will be placed on the outer corners of our eyes once more. We're almost finished, you guys. Colors for the last part of the eyeshadow. As usual, first color will be placed all over the lid, second will be placed on the crease of the eyes, third will be on the inner corner and lower lash lines, and the final color will be placed in the middle. Doing a winged eyeliner. It's super hard, so I'm sorry, I have to do the other eye off cam. Now we go go to contour. Just the usual, putting it on both sides of her jaws, cheeks, forehead, the nose. Then after that, we highlight our brow bones and cheekbones. Using this matte lipstick again, you can do anything you like. You can put it normally, or you can overlap it if you want to have this effect of a bigger lips. Oh, I almost forgot. I also put a heart on my cheek, but you can put anything you want. And that's it. Here's my finished look. If you made it this far, thank you so much. This means a lot to me. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below what do you want me to do next. I hope you have a nice day.